Hello, my name is Isaac Hernandez. I am making this video for the Monterey County Free Libraries, and I will be showing you how to add and subtract data on Microsoft Excel. It's a very easy process, and pretty much you're going to learn how to do this immediately right after the video. So, what are we going to do? If you know how to read an Excel spreadsheet, as you know, it's just like Battleship. So we're going to come right over here. First things first, when we're doing a equation, we're going to put the equal sign up here. Alright, and then we're going to put a parentheses. Now what we're looking for is Q1 and Q3. We're going to add those two quarters, and then let's begin. So quarter 1, it's located on B5. Quarter 3, it's located on D5. So we're going to put B5 plus D5. You can type it in like that. There's another way though. So let's just say we don't want to do it like that. What are we going to do? Equals parentheses. We're going to click here. Look at that. Plus. Then we're going to click Q3. Close parentheses. Then we're going to enter. Great. Alright, well that solves it for 1. Now we're going to go through 1, through 1, through 1. No. All you're going to do is just drag down, and it autofills everything for you. Now, what are we going to subtract? That's the addition. That's super easy. I'm going a little too fast. Let me show you one more time. So, what you're going to do to add on Excel, you're going to put equal parentheses, and this is your option. If you want to do it the hard way, you're going to type B5 plus D5. Now if you want to save time, all you're going to have to do is click the cells. I'm just going to get rid of that. We have the equals parentheses, autofills, plus D5, which is quarter 3, close parentheses, enter. Alright, in case you're thinking that's not right, let me show you why Excel is amazing. 5,976 and 20 cents plus 7,107 and 66 cents. Okay, there you go. Look at that. That is that. Alright, and it's the exact same thing for minus, but let me show you how to autofill everything. So you can click cells like this, right? You're going to click here, grab this little tiny green dot, drag it down, let Excel do it for you. Then we're going to come here, we're going to put the total minus quarter 4. The total is 25,681. We're going to do it the easy way. We're going to click that, minus quarter 4, close parentheses. It does it for you. Alright, now let's check to see if that is accurate. We have 25,681 minus 6,524 19 cents. Checks out. 19,157.68 cents. Alright, then we're just gonna autofill, and it's like that. It's this is just the addition and subtraction. It's very simple. And now let's just say okay, well, what if we doubled the total of all 4 quarters? Well, that's going to be this number here. And say they want to project a double of revenue for next year. Well, okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to label this total and then doubled. So same process, very easy. Equals, parentheses, click the total, right? You're gonna shift, and then on 8 in your keyboard, you see a little star. Click that. Then you're gonna put 2, and then close parentheses. That is the total doubled. Doesn't make sense to have it up here, so let's actually correct this. So let's just say we're gonna double all of this. So we're gonna double quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is that total of 25,000. It's already there, so we don't have to do any sort of math. Just click it. See, autofills. All right, now let's check it out. See if that is accurate. 25,681.87 times 2. It's 51,363.74. Checks out. Look at that. Bang. Alright. Now let's try a division. And I'm telling you, it works for division 2. So we have quarter 4s. Say we just want to subtract, we want to divide everything by 4, right? I'm not sure why you need to. It's just an example to show you how to use the division. The division is exactly how I say it. So we're going to put divide by 4. It's exactly just like these. So we're going to go to total, but first we're going to put equals, parentheses, click here, divide by 4, close parentheses, that's what we get. And then what we're going to do is check our work. So we have 25,681.87 divided by 4, and that brings us to 6,420. Yeah, round up 47 cents. Now we're just going to autofill. It's as easy as that. So again, I showed you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and I hope this video was helpful. Also showing you how to autofill. Thank you so much. And this is for the Monterey County Free Libraries. My name is Isaac Natis. I'm a student here at TCMB. Thanks so much.